In this video, let's learn how to get into crocheting position. Firstly, let's learn how to hold onto the yarn. So take the tail of the yarn in your right hand, and then take your left palm, face it to you. You need to hold the yarn in front of the left palm. And then, wrap the yarn once around your pinky. So now the yarn is behind your fingers. Then drape the yarn over your index finger, and hold onto the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. The tension of this yarn determines how easy it's going to be for you to pull this yarn through other loops. So to make it looser, you just need to move your finger closer to you. To make it tighter, pull your finger away from you. Now it becomes more taut. Okay, let's try again. Wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Drape the yarn over your index finger. Hold on with your thumb and middle finger. Last step is holding the hook. You can hold it like a knife, or you can hold it like pencil. Just do whatever is most comfy for you.